You want to make your own paper clip keycap puller? Well, I've got the thing for you. Basically, you'll need a keyboard that you want to clean, your pliers, and a straightened paper clip. Well, I hope you know how to straighten a paper clip by now. Anyway, here's a little warning. Please do not use this on your prized keyboard because it might scratch the keycaps. This is for when you're really desperate to clean the keyboard, or you have a crappy rubber dome keyboard that you really don't care about. That's what the paperclip keycap puller is really for. So let me go for a rubber dome keyboard. That's what the paperclip keycap puller is more designed for. A crappy rubber dome keyboard that you really don't care about, not your prized mechanical keyboard. Anyway, you should already have a straightened paperclip by now. And then you want to bend the paperclip like that, so that the ends are parallel to one another. And then you get the pliers and you bend them at a 90-degree angle like this, or bend them at a 90-degree angle like this. Well, mine's very poorly done, but if you've done it right, the keycap should just come off like that, and you can clean, and then you can start with the cleaning. But obviously that didn't work. If you've done a bad job at making the prongs from the keycap puller, then you can always cut away. Make sure you only cut a tiny bit, because if you cut too much, you can't reverse it. So make sure you cut carefully. And it should work. If it doesn't work, then start again with a new keycap. Well, me trying to cut the keycap puller didn't go so well, so I had to bend back the prongs a little bit. But if you have made a successful keycap puller like mine, you can just slide it under the keycap and be able to pull away at most of the keys. Let's see if we can try the out. Yep, we can. An FN and the arrow keys. Yep, so if you have a successful keycap puller, you should pull away all these keys at no time.